Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Dawson. I'm from Detroit, Michigan, and my e-commerce journey before working with Andy was pretty rocky. I was, found myself in a rut, tried different strategies and different YouTube videos, just no set formula, and since working with Andy, it's been about 15 days, and I'm on track to hit 15K already for this month. I just hit my first 3K day, and I've just been continuously growing. I have a testing strategy now that's amazing, and I actually know how to scale products now. So, before working with Andy, I was just trying everything, no set direction. The affirmations has really been amazing as well because it's helped my mindset stay set on success. And if I could recommend Andy's consultant to one of my friends, I would just say, if you're thinking about it, I would do it. I would just go ahead and pull the trigger on it. I wouldn't overthink it because you're always bettering yourself. I honestly knew the course would be great, but it turned out to be amazing. He's been always available, always a helping hand. The calls are very informative. Send you a recording as well so you can go over it. You can take notes. He has PDFs all throughout the course. It's really one of the best courses I've ever seen. And I've been in a lot of courses, so I really recommend it. I really take my hat off to Andy for the work that he's doing. And other benefits I would like to mention is his availability. A lot of people who are mentors are not really available. They have a team or something. But no, Andy's hands-on, one-on-one with you. He answers the phone, talk to him all the time. Great course, great guy, and that's really about it. I appreciate it, and it's been amazing. And also for proof, I can show my screen. That's where I'm at right now for this month. I don't know if you guys can see it. Yeah, it's like 15K. Yeah, I'm on track to do bigger numbers, and I know I can now. With this proven strategy, with this proven positive mindset, there's really nothing that can stop yourself but you. So hats off to Andy, and anybody thinking about doing it, I recommend it 100%. Dawson signing out.